Hey guys, today I'm comparing Base 44 versus Replit. Let's find out. Replit is a very beginner friendly platform. It gives you an online IDE, instant setup, and easy collaboration. If you just want to test scripts, experiment with small AI bots, or learn coding without installing anything, Replit is super convenient. Open your browser and you're coding in minutes. But Base 44 is built for AI powered apps from the ground up. While it might take a little more setup than Replit, it gives you tools focused on AI, integrations, backend plus frontend together, and easier deployment of AI features. So, if you want to graduate from experiments to a real app, a chatbot, automation tool, or custom AI logic, Base 44 tends to give you more real world power while still being accessible. For learning and playing around, Replit is great. For building something you can actually launch and scale, Base 44 is often the smarter bet. If this helped you choose, don't forget to like and subscribe for 2025 DevTool comparisons.